here is the best example of people who purposely misconstrue or minamali-mali yung statement mo dahil hindi nila matanggap yung statement mo or yung naging solusyon. Kasi nga, hindi galing sa kanila, hindi sila yung mali, magiging supporting character lang sila doon sa bigger picture. But the thing is, what's wrong with being a supporting character? What's wrong with being the support in the bigger picture? Saan nang gagaling yung emotions ng mga tao to actually act like this, think like this? For them to think that they can berate others by being sarcastic. Maybe it goes deeper nung mga panahon na nagpo-form yung parent-child bonding ng isang tao. But that is for another episode. Pero alam niyo ba, kahit na nagto-throw out ng tantrum ang isang adult, may point sila eh. Hindi nga lang nila fully mag-grasp yung point nila. That's why pinagpipilitan nila yung gusto nilang mangyari. Ang isa sa mga signs or markers of emotional maturity is that you should have the capacity to explain. Okay? Kasi doon lang magkakaroon ng actual na pagtawid ng message doon sa ibang tao. Now, if you can't do that and you'll be just throw out tantrums and be sarcastic all day, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng agreement nung taong kausap mo or kaargumento mo. Okay, now, ito yung sinusubukan niyang punto doon sa statement na yon. Well, magigets mo ang punto ng isang tao, whether galit sila or hindi, or kung anumang emotions yon, pag naging kalmado kayo and you see things on different kinds of perspective. Ang gusto niyang sabihin doon is, o sige, mag-iisip na lang ako na isa akong success, mayaman ako, at abundant yung buhay ko. Mag-iisip lang ako hanggang magkatotoo yun. You are partly wrong in that statement because hindi lang dapat siya desire. Kasi yung ginagawa mong pag-iisip ng gusto mong maging, that's already the desire or goal na gusto mong puntahan. Pero kailangan mong gumawa ng tangible actions para mapalapit ka dito. So, tama ka na doon sa umpisa eh. Kulang ka lang and hopefully, diba, you stay longer here sa channel to actually learn how to get more sa buhay. So, again, hindi sapat yung mag-isip ka lang ng kung ano yung gusto mo, pero kailangan mong umakto ng mga bagay na magpapalapit sa'yo dito. And, of course, sasabihin mo naman, hindi naman madali yan. Of course. I'm not saying that it's going to be easy, but it's going to be worth your while. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.